Well, we know President Bush, George W. Bush flew TBM Avengers off an aircraft carrier during World War II, the same type of aircraft.
All right, the two TBM Avengers are off. Now here comes the two Wildcats. Greg Shelton flying one of them. Up he goes. Now he's reaching down. Crank, 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 crank. Let's get the wheels tucked up in there. Crank, 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 crank. Keeping it pitched up so he doesn't go too fast, because the faster it goes, the harder it is to crank that landing gear up into the wheel well.
And we have Mike Gillian on the second one, and they said you could tell the novice F4F pilot, because as he climbed out, he had to switch hands and put the stick in his left hand, fight with his right hand, and he would transmit that cranking motion into the stick. So you'd see the airplane, the porpoise, up and down, up and down, up and down.
A little pilot-induced oscillation.
That's correct. And looks like they're set up for a nice pass here from left to right. First in line are the torpedo bombers, the TBM Avenger. This one.
Here comes Ida Red. Cross control and stick goes to the right. Push on the left rudder pedal to get a nice view of it. It's painted in the Atlantic Sea Surge colors. Only two are painted this way. The other one is in California. It was built in New Jersey by the Eastern Aircraft Division of General Motors, and that is quite a sight. And there's the second one through the more traditional colors that we have come to see on the Avenger.
And here we've got a nice formation pass by the two fighters, the two FM2 Wildcats. You see a very stubby airplane, was really our front line Navy fighter in the beginning of the war.